My research is all about exoplanets, which are planets outside of the solar system. One of the really big questions that inspires the research I do is a question that everybody has probably asked themselves at some point in their life, which is, are we alone? Is there other life out there, and where might it be? And if there is life out there, it's going to be living on another planet that maybe looks a lot like our Earth. And therefore, by finding these other planets, that's the first step in a really long investigation path to better understand our place in the universe. I use the transit method to find exoplanets. So essentially, picture a star, and if a planet is in orbit around that star, every now and then it might pass directly in between you, the observer, and the star itself. And that's going to cause a tiny decrease in the brightness of that star because it's blocking light. I didn't actually always know I wanted to do astronomy, but when I was in grade 9, my dad introduced my brother and I to the original series of Star Trek. And honestly, that's what really ignited my curiosity for science and the search for nearby life and new civilizations and boldly going where no one has gone before. And that was a huge inspiration for me to go into astronomy at UBC. When I was an undergraduate student, I found 4 planet candidates. So a candidate is something that we aren't entirely sure is a planet, but is very likely to be real. And as a PhD student, I found another 17, and since then I've gone on to find about 3,300. But I think my favorite planet, if I had to pick, is one orbiting Proxima Centauri b. This is the closest star to our system, Proxima Centauri. It's only 4 light years away, but it actually hosts a small Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone of its star. So the very fact that the closest star hosts a planet in the habitable zone, I think just shows that they have to be really common. Our galaxy really must be teeming of these types of planets.